Hello and welcome back to Web Tech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Google Wallet application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Now once you open it up, simply search for Google Wallet in the search box, and once you find the application, you can simply tap on the install button and this will install the Google Wallet application on your smartphone. Just wait for a while until the installation is complete, and once you see the open button, you can just tap on it and this will open the Google Wallet application. And now you can simply log into your account or sign up and start using the Google Wallet application on your smartphone. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download the Google Wallet application on your smartphone. How to log into your existing account on Google Wallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you haven't installed the Google Wallet application already, then simply open up the iOS App Store or Google Play Store and search for Google Wallet. Once you find the Google Wallet application, you can simply tap on the install button, and when the installation is complete, you can tap on the open button to open up the app. Now after you open up the application, you will be asked to select your Google account. So simply go ahead and tap on the Google account that you want to use with Google Wallet. You can then simply tap on Explore Wallet, and this will now log you into your Google Wallet account. Now you can simply add your desired card by tapping on Add Card, or you can explore other wallet options by tapping on Add to Wallet. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Google Wallet. How to add gift cards to your Google Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your Google Wallet application on your smartphone. Now, once you are logged into your account, you will be taken to the home page. Now, from the home page, simply tap on Add to Wallet option at the bottom right corner, and then you can find various options. Simply click on the gift card option, and now you can search for various gift cards that you can add on your Google Wallet. Just go ahead and search for your gift card, and then you can simply tap on it to select it. You will then be asked to enter your card number, your PIN, and your balance. So simply just go ahead and type in your card number, followed by your card PIN. Then type in your balance, and you can also add some notes if you wish to. You can then simply tap on the Add to Wallet option, and this will add your gift card into your Google Wallet app. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add gift cards into your Google Wallet application. How to add boarding pass to your Google Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up the Google Wallet application on your device. And once you are logged into your account, you will be taken to this homepage. Now in order to add boarding passes or tickets, you can tap on the Add to Wallet option. Once you do this, you can find the Transport Pass option. Simply tap on this, and you will be asked to enter your transport agency or your city. You can simply type it in or select it from the list. And now you will be taken into an external website from which you can book your ticket or your boarding pass. Just select your desired ticket settings and then tap on the Select button. You will then be asked to check out and buy using your Google Wallet account. Simply tap on the Sign in to Buy button and then sign in to your Google Wallet account, and your boarding pass or ticket will be added to your Google Wallet. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add boarding pass into your Google Wallet application. How to add tickets into your Google Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your Google Wallet app on your smartphone and then log into your account, and you will be taken to this homepage. Now from your homepage, you will be able to find an Add to Wallet option at the bottom right corner. So simply tap on it, and now you can add various gift cards or transport passes and various other things to your Google Wallet. In order to add your ticket, simply tap on the Transport Pass option, and now select your route or location. You can also type it in the search box, and once you select your location, you will be taken to another website where you can buy your pass. Now after selecting your ticket, you can simply tap on the Select option, and this will add your transport pass or your ticket into your Google Wallet application. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add tickets onto your Google Wallet, how to update the Google Wallet application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Once you open it up, simply use the search box and search for Google Wallet. Once you find the Google Wallet application, just go ahead and tap on it, and if you can find an update button, simply tap on it, and this will begin the download and installation of the latest update for your Google Wallet application. Just wait until the installation is complete, and once you see the open button, you can simply tap on it, and this will open up the Google Wallet application. And now you can start using the Google Wallet by logging in using your Google account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to update the Google Wallet application. How to add your card into your Google Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your Google Wallet application on your smartphone. Now, once you open up the application and you are logged into your account, you will directly see an option to add your card on the home screen. If you don't see this, you can simply tap on the Add to Wallet option and then tap on Payment Card. This will now take you into the Add Card menu where you will be asked to enter your card number. Simply type in your 16-digit card number and then tap on the Save button. After that, you will be asked to enter further details of your card along with your personal information. Once your information is verified, your card will be added to your Google Wallet application. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add your card to your Google Wallet application. How to log out from your Google Wallet account on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. If you open up the Google Wallet application, you might find that there is no option to log out from within the app. So in order to log out from the application, simply long press in the app and then tap on the info icon. This will then take you into the application settings page. Now from this page, scroll down and tap on storage, and now from the storage menu, tap on clear cache first and then tap on clear data. Now you will be shown a warning asking you whether you are sure that you want to delete your user data. Simply tap on the delete button, and now all of your user data will be deleted from the Google Wallet application. Now if you go back into the application once again, you will be logged out from your account and you will be asked to log back in. And that is how easy it is to log out from your Google Wallet application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.